Hey, Davey. Dave, are you awake?
How are you feeling?
Do you want to go home? Want to go outside and go poop? Want to go for a walk? Ask him.
David, I love you.
David, we love you. David. Want to go home? I'll follow you home. How about that? David. Do you want me to follow you home? David, look at me and say sure.
David.
David. Alex, tell him.
Are you a werewolf?
David.